Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome again to Montessori 2 English class. Students, now come to book page number 95. Look at the pictures and write their names. Look at the pictures and write their names. Students, look here. What's this? Bun. What's the spelling of bun? B A N bun. Bun. Now next one is gun. What's this? Gun. What's the spelling of gun? G A N. Gun. Next one is cup. What's this? Cup. What's the spelling of cup? K A P. Cup. Cup. Next one is cut. What's the spelling of cut? K A T. Cut. Cut. Last one is pup. What's the spelling of pup? P A P. Pup. Pup. Again read with me. Bun. Gun. Cup. Cut. Pup. Bun. Gun. Cup. Cut. Pup. Now kids, it's your turn. Complete book page number 95. Allah Hafiz.